Hello friends, how are you? As you can see, this mobile A3S and this mobile network problem. So I want to unlock this mobile network problem, and as you can see this mobile A3S. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now insert cable in this mobile. So guys, connect this mobile with PC, and this file link in description. You can download this file, and I want to flash this mobile for unlock network, as you can see, and follow my step by step. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can see this there are two files, and I want to flash this tools. As you can see, ADB tool. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel for the latest videos. Open this tool, Oppo Advanced Unlocker, and check ADB device. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Page file this mobile and flash it in this mobile network problem. I want to unlock this network. Don't forget this subscription channel and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. This mobile will reboot automatically, as you can see. So guys, let's check network. As you can see, this network show you. So guys, signal is working now, as you can see. So if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now I am going to next videos. Bye, be back later, see you next, and take care. As you can see, data enabled and working now.